FabFitFun box today, and I am excited for that. I'm going to use some cuticle nail clips to cut the strip. So that's cut. And time to open it. Oh, it's upside down. And oh, I'm excited. We got the little pamphlet. We got $50 off HelloFresh, a note, and a coupon. So let's get this open. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. We got the Wish High Performance Natural Beauty Rice Milk Plus Rose Cream Cleanser, Ginger Cleanser, smoothens and moisturize. So that is that. And this is what it looks like. So excited to try that out. We got the sponge, the body wash infused buffer. Oh, and it smells nice. I can't wait to try this tonight. So that's going to be fun. It looks like this. Like I said, I'm late in the game, but might as well show. We got the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandit. So we got that. And then we got the special size limited edition Desert Water Mineralized Hand Cream. Does this have a smell? Oh, it's got a little tab on it. And I don't know how to say the name to that. So there's that. And then we got the shower gel. And I'm excited to use that. And I don't know how to say any of those words, so there's that. And then what I'm most excited about is this. I am so excited to try this out. I was hoping to get either the like this color one, the yellow one, but blue's good. I've been really liking blue recently. So there's that. So I just turned it on. Okay, one click to turn it on, and then hold it to turn it off. I'm keeping the case so that when I travel I have a case for it. So I put that back in. Okay. So I'm very excited about that. And then we got the Free People sleeping mask. This is a very heavy sleeping mask. Oh, I think you could put this in the refrigerator and it will be cooling. Let's see. It doesn't say, but excited. And we got the makeup case. So I'm glad it's a dark color on the outside, but I kind of wish it was a dark color on the inside as well. Very nice, very pretty. And then on the top there is this. It looks like this. And you put your brushes right here, and you can put like your beauty sponge right here and all your little tools, and then all your makeup. I'm excited to use this when I travel. Don't know when I'm traveling, but if I do travel, I will be bringing this to put like my toiletries in it too. I can do that. Doesn't have to really be just makeup. It's a decent size, so yeah, I'm so excited with everything that I got. I love it. I did pay $39.99 because I used a coupon code. Yeah, that is everything that I got in that. I am excited to get the next one in the fall. I can't wait to get that one. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.